Thank you for joining us on Everybody Can Bake. Today we're going to learn how to bake a delicious loaf of bread. We're going to take this and we're going to turn it into this beautiful golden loaf. It's so good! What we need is a few good taters.
Taters? What's taters, precious? What's taters?
You know, potatoes. Boil them, mash them, turn them into bread. Not even you could say no to that.
Oh yes, we could.
Okay. 2 teaspoons of dried dill. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of yeast. 2 2/3 cup of bread flour. 1 cup of mashed potatoes and 3 tablespoons of butter. You stir that together, let it get to room temperature. And 3/4 cup of the water you used when you were boiling the mashed potatoes. Okay. And with the dry, the flour. You get more of a uniform, crumbly flour. It's all about the same amount of crumble. There's not a whole lot of large ones, and there's not a whole lot of flour that's not incorporated in the potato. So it's very uniform. Now we're going to slowly add the water in. Okay. Add our dill. Once you've made a ball where it's not sticking to the sides, we're going to lightly flour our board. Cover it with plastic and let it rise. Oh, hi bread makers. If you want a book that you can stay up to all night, I highly recommend Bread Illustrated by America's Test Kitchen. This is probably one of the best books out there for learning everything you need to know about making all types of breads, and so many photos. It's helped me a ton in really inspiring me to make bread and helping me make bread, and I can't wait to adapt some of the recipes and start making my own. So go and pick one up. I had this one rented out from the library for months, and then I finally bought it. I got 2 copies now. Great book.